Hello, everybody. It's martini time, and some of you people were asking, how do I make a martini? And so there's the dirty martini, and there is the clean martini. And the only difference between the clean martini and the dirty martini is the olive juice. Okay, so you have the olives, and then there's the olive brine, which consists of vinegar, water, and salt. So when you add a little touch of the vinegar, water, salt brine from the olive, that's your dirty martini. Now, what you do is you take your vodka and you put it in the glass, probably about a third, between a third and a half the way full, like so. Okay. Then you take your vermouth and just throw a few splashes of that vermouth in there. Then what you want to do is take a toothpick, open your olives, and you could stab a couple, reach down in there and grab a couple. Oh, what the hell? I did wash my hands, so. And you put them on a toothpick like that. Isn't that cute? Okay. And you put that in your glass. And then, to make it dirty, which I think the dirty martini is the best, you just splash a little bit of olive juice in there, like that, and you're ready to drink and get ready for some crazy shit on Facebook tonight. Love you guys. Bye-bye.